Alright, you guys, this is the last night. Hopefully.
Alright. Y'all ready? Here we go. Hey, hey, hey. Lappydog. And I'm gonna sing a song for you. It's Lappydog. Tell you a thing or two. You have fun now with me and all the gang. Learning from each other while we do our thing.
We're gonna be out here Friday morning. I don't know the date. There's the smooths back here. Little Egypt is getting ready to ride. There's a little rain in the forecast. Morning. I think they got some breakfast in here. We shall see. What they got? Anything good?
She bring out this big gravy, eggs, turkey sausage, pancakes, bagels, muffins.
Maybe the last night. Paparazzi.
Here, guys, some biscuits. Yay!
Go.
Winding it down. Hey, you can tell you got some sun too. I got some sun on my face too.
I think my makeup
The last breakfast with the crew.
No.
We're gonna put the Thompsons down in Savannah, right?
Yes, sir.
Savannah,
I-16.
their hometown. Go home and get some real seafood.
Go and see mother-in-law
Mother-in-law.
How long you gonna stay, John?
on Sunday.
Oh, okay, that's nice.
And then we're going to do a long day home.
Long day, yeah.
Yeah, because it's 8 hours in the car.
Back to the house, yeah.
So, yeah, I'll say it'll be a long day.
It don't seem like it's that long when you're in the truck, though.
Just Savannah.
I drove it by myself in 6 hours, but I stopped one time, got gas, went to the bathroom.
I was gonna say 7.
You must see Kevin walking in. He came in and went back out.
He behind me? Oh, okay. You homesick, Ron?
And magnesium.
You don't miss your son?
Magnesium tablet sometimes.
Did you hear your husband? I asked him did he miss his son. He said he'd be all right.
But I exercise, when I don't exercise, it seems like I cramp up more. So I take magnesium or eat bananas or drink that pickle juice.
We thank you, Slappy.
Man, hey.
Good guide, man.
God.
Yeah.
Is that what I was doing?
Yeah.
I thought I was on vacation. Y'all was just trying to keep up.
You asked the group what they wanted to do and everything.
Oh yeah. I try to leave my inputs out. I done it so many times. Sometimes if you say something, people will gravitate towards you. I'll let y'all come up with it. Hope there's another one, buddy.
One more.
Was that 3 times for you? Is that 3 for you? That's 3 for you. This makes 5 for me. 4 Fantasy Fest, 5 Key West. Pickle juice for the real bikers. Just take it and throw it back. Helps with cramps and other things that may ail you. Shot me a commercial club. Pickle juice. Buy yours today.
What was the trash can, Teresa? Oh,
What was the restroom, man?
it ain't one. Rita just went to Hope's in one.
Nah.
What's that?
Restroom.
Stop!
It's time to roll, folks. Somebody know we got something to put a little pencil in your leg too. It'll keep you awake and make Chloe happy too. Let's get on out of here, y'all. Woo! Y'all see the go-getter.
Stop!
Y'all see the go-getter. Hey, stay tuned for more videos like this. Thanks for watching. I'm ready.